What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Don't forget to check out my website, ckwrapstoronto.com. I'll put a link up in the top corner for you. Now, I just did a video, the one prior to this one, on installing this bit of paint protection film on the hood of this Maserati and showing what it does and how it looks. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put it through a bit of abuse right now. Right here, I have a copper brush, or brass, sorry, and I also have my knife. We're going to take this copper brush and this knife to the surface of this film, and we're going to see how well it holds up to these two things. Now, we know a knife is very sharp, and I'll purposely snap a blade off right now for you just so you know it's fresh. There we go. Put that there. And I'm going to take this film and just scribble all over it, basically. I'll take one side with the brass brush, and I'll take the other side with the blade. So let's just do this. All right, that looks pretty bad. Let's do the next one. I'm going to take the tip of this blade, and this film is 8 mil, okay? This is thick film. I'm definitely not going into the paint with this. I'm not going to push like crazy hard. I definitely don't want to cut into the paints. And the blade is sharp enough that with enough pressure it will cut through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you in to see what these look like. And then we're going to add some heat and see what happens. Okay, here's the knife. And here's the brass brush. Let's take our heat gun and see what happens. That is pretty freaking magnificent. It's actually crazy. But let's go to the other side here. So some have gone away, and not all of them have gone away. They're going away quite a bit, though. Remember, I just took an extremely sharp blade. The film is actually clearing out as I heat it too, as you can notice here. So let's heat one spot over here. This film has only been on for about 5 minutes right now. But if we heat the film, it's going to clear up. Another option here is to actually use hot water, and I don't have water that's boiling hot here. But as we can see on this side, the brass brush marks are gone. This is pretty aggressive. I mean, like, I was pretty serious when I was hitting that with the knife, but we can take this again and see how many scratches there are. Incredible. That's an amazing demonstration of what the film is capable of doing. Again, we get a little bit too aggressive over here. Yeah, okay, it's not going to happen. Where it's all going to come out, possibly with the hot water, it might come out. I'll try that in another video, see if that works. The ability of what paint protection film can do is something that I wanted to show you before you decide, hey, that's something that I want to do, or just for people who are looking to see what these films are capable of doing. Again, this one is Oragaurd 280G. Other films will respond a bit differently when it does come to self-healing. I think this one works tremendously well, especially when I'm taking the brass brush to it. Again, the knife, on the other hand, is another beast on its own. Not many people's, keys and stuff like that are that sharp. So if someone were to key your car, for example, this is probably a better representation over here with the brass brush than it is over here with the actual knife. And again, when you're just generally washing your car day to day and you want to clean it off, all those swirl marks that this black paint actually gets from doing that, that doesn't happen anymore. They all just self-heal, especially with the hood being so hot. I mean, the hood's one area where it's always going to be quite warm because of the engine and the vehicle running. So in the wintertime, yeah, it's always pretty much going to be clear, it should be most of the time. Again, what you could do is just pour hot water over top of the surface, and instead of using a heat gun, and it'll self-heal. Or if you live in a hot climate, you're pretty much guaranteed to never see these fine lines and scratches that you would get from daily maintenance and daily care. Again, I hope this video was informative and helpful to you. I will put a link to some of the products that I'm using today in the description below. If you like it, give it a like, and if you want to see more videos, don't forget the subscribe button. Again, thank you for watching. Take care.